Okay, they're getting ready to start. It's going to be the drag race. Not even a contest. Jimmy got shellacked. Oh my God, he wasn't even close. Oh, he smoked you. About halfway up, he got by you. About halfway up, he caught up alongside of me. By the end, he was 150 feet. As soon as he got off the ground, he was gone. I was a little nervous standing down there at the end of the runway. This thing is on fire.
You saw that? Mike? That was me. I don't know where that happened.
Jimmy got you by about 200 feet.
You got me?
Yeah. Won't even be close.
I what?
Go stand next to that afterwards. We'll get, you know, the winner circle.
Winner circle.
I said it's Jimmy C against the Jamaican.
That's the most craziest thing I ever did.
There's a